Hello, in this explain that this is a tutorial on how to set your auto messages on WhatsApp on Android or mobile. So let's get started. So first and foremost, you should already have a WhatsApp business account on Play Store. So if you haven't decided yet, you could go install it and open it up. Set up an account and therefore go to the settings, go to business tools, and then you could have the three options. The messaging, you could go away message comes to when you are inactive, a greeting message, so when someone opens a conversation to you, whether it's a convenience one or a service one as well. So you can either set up a greeting message and away message as well to whatever type of response that you want. So you edit it out and you can also type on who's going to get the greeting message to you. So that's about it. This explained that and that's how to set your auto messages on WhatsApp on Android.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.